Behold the epic saga of 1969 Kenworth. This beast roars with a Detroit diesel 12V71 engine. With a robust design and formidable engine, this beast delivers unmatched performance on the toughest terrains. Its superior structure and engineering make it a titan of the road, ensuring every load is transported safely and efficiently. Old trucks send shivers down our spine, but for drivers, it's a thrilling adventure carrying oversized logs through the most dangerous routes. The timber industry is a cornerstone of North Carolina's economy, known as the Tar Heel State. It's a relentless, awe-inspiring sight, like veins pumping lifeblood into the core of industry. Imagine the grandeur of mighty oak forests, the roar of engines blending into a grand symphony of nature. It's a spectacle to behold. What on earth is happening here? You won't believe your eyes. A small tugboat dragging a massive log crane through the tight waters of Dodd Narrows. It's like watching a hero wrestle a sea monster in a narrow strait. The captain, clearly a seasoned veteran, navigates the vessel with precision and expertise despite its aged appearance.
Man, he's got it cracking. He's making more noise. He's up to something. He could thread the needle.
Yeah, but I don't know though. That ass is swinging.
Uh-oh.
Loading large logs onto a ship on the river is not only dangerous but requires strict safety measures, especially in bad weather. This is the last ship before the storm, and with the sea's fury approaching, the workers remain ready to get the job done. Imagine soaring above rugged landscapes, where the power of aviation meets the demands of timber transport. The CH-234 Chinook, a metal-framed marvel with its four-blade rotor, stands ready to conquer the skies. It can lift a staggering 28,000 pounds of cargo on external hooks, showcasing its steel warrior spirit. Isn't it exhilarating to witness these aerial beasts in action? Wow, take a look at this video. Those drivers are truly remarkable, maneuvering their lumber-filled trucks through muddy and slippery paths. The level of focus required is astonishing. Would you dare to drive in such conditions? Let's give them a round of applause for their epic skills and hilarious rides. Upon visiting the majestic forests of Switzerland, one cannot help but appreciate their grandeur. The vast tracts of timber are not merely beautiful, they represent a highly sophisticated logging industry. With advanced machinery designed to lift and transport lumber, the efficiency achieved is remarkable. It's a delicate balance of nature and technology. Driving a lumber truck on a steep and slippery road is not just a way to make a living. It's a calling for those who truly love this work. But remember, safety is paramount. Stay alert and cautious to ensure that your passion doesn't lead to catastrophic outcomes. The TP Roller's wood harvesters are tirelessly tackling the frigid Norwegian forests, where the temperature sits at a freezing 0 degrees. Yet they power through with relentless efficiency, turning out logs with incredible precision and speed. Imagine a game of extreme obstacles with an unsteady, oversized seesaw. The driver is wrestling with this wild test. Wait, could the truck actually flip? It probably takes a few big guys just to keep it steady. Fun, yes, but there's an undeniable rush of tension. Wow, just look at that. The NOE 1704R skidder, with a pulling capacity of 974.4 feet, can haul massive logs up steep hills as if it's just a stroll in the park. These machines are known as friendly angels of the forest because they help keep the environment safe. And at a starting price of just $100,000, it seems like a smart investment for anyone in the forestry industry. Have you ever driven a lumber truck through the woods? Picture this, the sound of crunching leaves beneath the tires, the scent of fresh pine filling the air. The driver made a small mistake while turning, but he must be quite skilled to safely deliver the wood to its destination.
Okay, here we go. Here's that big fir. She's a nice.
The snow-covered mountains and the gentle morning sunlight contrast sharply with the colossal trees being cut down on precarious cliffs. This is not as simple as strolling in the park. It is a daring adventure that requires careful risk assessment. Warriors do not flee from battle. The fight is long, but victory is certain.
Oh yeah! Phew.